What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making pigs in a blanket. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need crescent rolls, little Smokies, butter, and everything bagel seasoning. We're going to start by unrolling our crescent rolls and taking them apart. Cut each individual triangle into thirds. Add little Smokies to the base of the triangle and roll. Place rolls on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter and brush on each roll. Top with everything bagel seasoning. Set your oven to 375 degrees and bake for 11 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. And there you have it, pigs in a blanket. Once again, we hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody you know, them MFers be cooking.